So, am I the first guest on your
Yes, yes,
podcast?
yes.
Oh
You're
my
the
God!
first
Wow,
one.
wow! Thank you so much. I'm so happy, proud
Yeah, I
that
am
you thought of
happy.
me.
Like you didn't even ask another question. Like, yes, let's do it. I'm like,
Yeah.
why aren't people like
I,
Fizz? Why aren't people like Fizz?
oh
But you are in a situation wherein you can't even order food from outside when it's actually legal to do that.
yeah, that's true.
Considering the
But
fact that you are a person who used to go out
yeah,
every weekend.
like, and that too, not forget like going out also every weekend. Like, this is like veg food. I'm a non-vegetarian. They give us non-veg, but like not as much as I would prefer. So not being able to order is like, oh my god, like they literally restricted us like for no reason, and it was crazy. And like, oh my god, I don't
That's
know. We
actually
started
bad.
cooking, like we started cooking in desperation, but obviously we can't cook like. And like I don't know, like I don't have the energy or the time or the like to cook food and all, and it never turned out as good as we hoped. So, oh god, it was terrible.
What do you mean you don't have time? Who else have you given your appointment for?
No, not that kind. Like time where I feel it will be worthwhile to cook because I know it will not end up being good or something I like. So there's no point. Might as well just look at good food and wait for the day I can eat it.
That's very what is the word? What is the word? Well, I'm not getting that word. That's very sad. That's
It
very
is
sad.
what to do.
What
But
do you
yeah,
cook?
let's see. I think I don't know. I'm pretty sure I put
You
on
have
my
a wide
Instagram.
variety. Is it like let me see which comes
No,
first?
no,
Whether I
like
pick.
no. See, mostly I made pancakes.
Okay, that's
Then
not something you make. That's something you mix and then you put right.
yeah, what else is cooking? Cooking is making.
Cooking, cooking. I'll tell you. See, I've got into hobby during the lockdown. I'll tell you.
Uh,
You take vegetables, you
uh,
disinfect them,
this is
and you
main
cut
course.
them.
I am doing like dessert final course. Like I'm doing like only appetite main course and all. I can't do, guys. That is too much work for me. Oh, actually, I once did.
You're gonna make a bad wife, is.
No, gosh, as though, okay, people now this is modern age, 21st century, everybody cooks, everyone can learn to cook, but you don't have time to cook. And now if you see on Zomato full offers, so why you want to cook also? Just
Okay, what if this hypothetical lockdown situation comes somewhere down the line? What will you do then? You're gonna consume desserts for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
no, I can cook. Okay, see, I just haven't yet because I don't have the need to. But if I was like desperate and I had to, I can cook.
Yeah, you can. The question is, can you consume the cooked food?
I can. I see. But I see this new thing is there, okay, which I found out, which is like a going underhand, like backdoor, like how everything there is one. There's you can
Okay.
buy frozen foods. You buy frozen
Oh
foods,
my god!
fry
Wait.
it.
Oh my god! What I just
See,
listened.
cooking is done. Just buy a frozen item, cook it, and you have full meal is there for you. What more you want?
Oh my god! That's a wonderful
That's that's how I
discovery.
survived
Yes.
without ordering. This 4 months, I bought frozen foods, fried it, and consumed.